A simple and very intelligently crafted MCQ of nuclear physics. The topic is half-life. Statement is a sample of radioactive element with initial mass of 24 gram decayed to 3 grams in 36 minutes. How much of the original sample remained after the first 12 minutes? Options are given: 6 gram, 12 grams, 2 grams, and 8 grams. So now in present scenario, as the initial mass is 24 grams, after first half life, it becomes half. In the second half life, after first second half life, the 6 gram, which is half of 12 gram, it reaches to 6 grams. This is the remaining amount. And after third half life, the 6 grams goes to the level of 3 grams. So in 3 half lives, it reaches to 3 grams of the total amount, which was initially 24 grams. And all this happened in a period of 36 minutes as it is shown here. So 3 half lives and the total period is 36 minutes. So very simply we can divide this total time by the number of half lives, and if we divide it, we will get 12 minutes as a half life. So a period of 12 minutes is the half life of that sample, which was initially of amount 24 grams. So now the question is that how much of the original sample remained after the first 12 minutes. So actually 12 minutes was the half-life. So after half-life, it will reduce to 12 grams. So the correct option will be this one. The option number B, 12 grams. So this will be the correct option. It was a very simple question, but crafted very beautifully. And due to that reason, you have to go through all this procedure to find out what is the correct answer. I hope so. The point is clear now regarding the question of nuclear physics. Specifically, the topic was half-life. And please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.